That thunderstorm wasn't natural, it was man-made. UK got absolutely hammered last night from floods, thunderstorms, and an electric show across the capital. But let's be real, is this weather manipulation? Is this cloud seeding? Or is this just normal natural weather? I find it crazy that we have a mad storm followed by the biggest heat wave we've had in 50 years, reaching 38 degrees in the capital over the next few days. What is happening in Britain? Is this normal, or do people need to open their eyes to this weather manipulation? Drop your comments below.